Started my seafood gumbo. I got my crabs up in here. The blue crab. This is like the blue crab that's good for gumbo. So we almost done. And I'll be back with all the rest. Got my sausage all cooked up. Then I'm gonna put my shrimp in there. Base right here, all set for the gumbo. And then I set up another steamer here. This is gonna be a shrimp kind of juice happening, but I'm gonna combine it with my crab juice. So we're gonna mix it up like that. So I already did the sausage right here. So now we're gonna wait until everything's all nice and bubbly. Okay, once everything is done, I'm gonna throw these shrimps in there, and then I'm gonna make some rice. Yeah, we gotta do shortcut. Make some white rice, you know. But when everything is done, you all will see my gumbo. Strain out of the shells that I strained in there. Now we got different soup. All right. So now I'm going to hold this one. I'm going to now bring this back into a boil. And then we're going to put the sausage and we're going to put the shrimp in there. So I'll see y'all in a second. It's back to boiling. I just add in the sausage. So I'm going to let this sit for a while and let it simmer so it can turn into a nice base. And I should be back. Okay, we are done. Now we're going to put... Look at them holding on to each other. That's how they died. Now they in there. We're going to simmer that in there, down there like this, like that. Put it in there. And we're going to put another one up in there. Okay. Put it all up in there like so. There we go. There is we go, y'all. There we go, y'all. Now,
you can see that.
Now we're going to put our shrimp in there. Put our shrimp, and we're only gonna let it cook for 5 minutes, just 5, not longer than that, till we get that nice pink color, and we'll be all done. Y'all, just want y'all to know this is my first time doing this. This is my first time doing this, so I'm gonna turn the heat up a little bit, let it come to a boil, and we're just gonna let it sit on there. And let it do what it do. And we shall be back. Okay, so this is what you want to see for your shrimp. So you are all set. Your gumbo is all done. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. You got your sausage. You got your different greens in there.
It's frying up the camera.
It's ready. All done, guys. Now I'm going to come back and I'm going to plate it up for you. I shall return this to the center. Pull it back some. Listen to that. Ooh, wee, that's some good seafood gumbo right there. My rice, right? I did this like the restaurant. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put some of this deliciousness around it, as so. As so. We're going to put a little bit more around there. And then we're going to add some of that shrimp in there. Wait a minute, let me do it like this. We want more juice. Hold on. We're going to get some of this shrimp. Get some of the shrimp right there. I'm going to get some of this. Put it right on the side. There you go. And we're going to add some more shrimp. Y'all know this is seafood gumbo. So we're going to keep it going. Make it as pretty as you can. Y'all know me. Presentation is a thing for me. There you go. And we're going to take one of these legs. We're going to... Ooh, Lord have mercy. We don't grab this crab.
Just break the leg. Okay. Can't you just break the leg?
Oh, Lord, is he hot? Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Hot got dang it. Dingo. Wah. Okay. Hold on, y'all. I'm going to do that again. All right, we're going to pause that. Okay, y'all. I put the crab leg right there. All right. And I'm going to get another crab leg. You know, this a plate of... Ooh, she good, y'all. She good. She just came right off. And we're going to plate her just like that. And there you go. All set. Your seafood gumbo. All done. Ready to go. Hope y'all like it. From La Kitchen Jamaica. Ciao. Go ahead. Take a bite of that for me, please. Let me see how you like it.